Hi there. Would you like real exam level sample tasks for your WU BBE entrance exam? Well, I hope you do, because today I'm going to show you how to get those for free. As you might know, WU as an institution itself doesn't offer any kind of sample tasks for the exam. It's a shame, yet it's one of the biggest obstacles the BBE applicants encounter in their preparation. Hence why every single task that you practice and master, that's your ranking.
All right, let's actually have a look at those free sample tasks and how to get those. So if you go into your browser and you type in intobbe.com, you go on this wonderful, gorgeous website, and you're going to see the first thing here, a pop-up in the bottom right corner, right? So it says try the course for free, and all you have to do, you're one step away from this, you write your email, and you press let's go. And so within a few minutes to 24 hours, you're going to receive your sample tasks. And no credit card needed, no personal details, just your email. It unlocks you one free maths lesson and a few extras like insights on the past papers based on the previous exams, or a few extra tasks, to help you master the topic. And of course, what happens if, let's say, click away? I just casually clicked away. Can you blame me? No, you can't. So what you can do, you can press reload. Command R on Mac, Control R on Windows, and it appears again. Well, what if it doesn't appear? Sometimes it might happen, happens to everyone. You can just email us on intobbe@gmail.com. Intobbe is written as one word, and we're going to get back to you within about 24 hours with your free sample tasks. Again, no credit card, no name, just your email. And by the way, if you want to check out how to get your offline exam practice in with us, feel free to click here. And yeah, hope you have a good day.